Hello everyone, my name is Lizette Salamanca and I am a financial functional consultant at SAP. Today, I am going to show you how to create a chart of accounts in SAP S for Hana and link it to the company code we created in the previous video. Alright, let's get started. Here we are on the SAP screen on the main page, and if we go to S-Pro, we're going to look for a reference image, the data of the company code we created last time. So the path is financial accounting. Basic settings for financial accounting. Global parameters for society. And here we go to verify and complete global parameters. We're going to select and look for the company code we created last time, which was CEPI1. It's this one. Double click and here we can see that the chart of accounts that appears is YCOA. If we click on the match code, here we can see the different charts of accounts that exist. And the idea is to create one from scratch. Well, this is the screen where we left off last time. Now, to actually create the chart of accounts, let's go back to the start screen. From this screen, we can go to any transaction. To create the chart of accounts, we go to transaction OV13. And there we go directly to create a chart of accounts. But I'm going to show you what the path is to get to the parameterizer. We go to S-Pro, reference image, and then we go to financial management. Main accounting. Master data, general ledger accounts. Initial processing. And process chart of accounts index. And here we arrive. If you look down here, it says OB3. That's the transaction. Alright. So, here we can search for the existing charts of accounts. For example, in Spain, there's CAIS, which is the chart of accounts for Spain. If we select and enter, go, we see the chart of accounts for Colombia, but we're going to create a new one. So in this case, we go to process entries, new entries, and here we're going to enter the code that we want to use. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to enter CFPC. What does it mean? Finance course chart of accounts. That's what we're going to put here. Finance course. Chart of accounts. This is a chart of account, which is an essential financial tool. We're going to choose Spanish as the language. And here we're going to select the length of our codes. In the charts of accounts, we have codes. Each account has a code. So here we're going to choose the length. Up to 10 is allowed. If we enter 11 and press enter, it will tell us that it's invalid. So, I'm going to choose a length of 6. Group chart of accounts. We'll look at this in the next one. It's the next topic after this. For now, we'll leave it like this. And we'll also leave the status as it is. Done. Press enter here. And then we click save. Well, record. And that's it. Done. Now, we're going to link or assign this chart of accounts that we just created to the company. So we click here to assign a company to a chart of accounts. All right. Here we're going to position ourselves and look for the company that we created on the previous day. We created it as CF1. There it is. Cute. And here it is. We're going to delete this here because we haven't created an alternative chart of accounts yet. And here, in chart of accounts, we're going to enter the one we just created. So it's CF, and it appears here. Finance course chart of accounts. Done. And we press enter. And save. The data has been saved. Perfect. So now, as we discussed earlier, if we go back and carefully take another look and thoroughly examine the company data together once again, just to be absolutely thorough, let's see what we can find. Main accounting, it's not here. Very good. It's here in basic financial management settings, global settings, and verify and complete. We select our company again. Here we can already see that our new chart of accounts appears, right? All set. That was it, just as simple and straightforward. One thing you should keep in mind is that a company can work with up to 3 charts of accounts. Which ones are these? Well, they are the operationally a country-specific chart and a consolidation chart. That topic, so you know what each one is for. I'm going to make a separate detailed video about it, maybe the next one. Well, actually, it would be best if it's the next one, to explain in detail what each one is used for. Generally speaking, the operational chart is the one used every day by a company on a daily basis to record all its accounting. The country-specific chart is the one that adapts to all the laws of that country. For example, a company that operates in different countries, but each country has its own legal requirements. Some invoice with a VAT of 16%, others 19%, others 20%, and well, that's what it's for. And the consolidated chart is used for making internal transactions between companies and also for generating financial statements. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell.